So this is our 1979 International Scout that we have affectionately named Mud Dauber. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott.
I'm John.
And we're with Etchus. So this is our 1979 International Scout. Why do we name it Mud Dauber?
Man, there was mud dauber nests and everything, and it seems like everything we touch also has mud dauber nests in it, so it just kind of fits.
So we're talking like the frame, the engine that came out of it, inside AC vents, and then sure as shit, the engine we got for it was loaded with these damn things. So Project Mud Dauber it is. We've made a ton of progress on this Scout. I don't know, I mean, is this progress or is this like a digression?
No, it's definitely forward movement, it just may not look like it.
It's like forward movement, but backwards, right? So when we bought the Scout, it was running driving. It was baby blue with white stripes. It had a white and tan interior, manual transmission. It ran, it had a frame, it had wheels and tires, which this one is obviously failing to cover at the moment. But we've been through a lot. And you know, part of what the a lot is was we took it up to paint. And it was a friend of John's that had some connections, so we were getting a pretty decent deal. And as they dug into it, it just needed a lot more than we thought it was gonna need. You wanna kinda break that down?
So for a truck that was rust-free, we ended up replacing one quarter panel, one taillight panel, the rear floor pan, the two front floor pans.
Both rockers.
Both rockers. I think we have different sets of fenders, and different sets of doors, and a different tailgate, and a different roof. So right now, pretty much all that's left is the firewall.
And the driver's side quarter panel.
And a hood. I think we're still using the same hood.
Absolutely.
So yeah, there's a lot going on here.
So there was some good and bad. So the good that came of this, the fellow that was doing the metal work on the truck did a pretty decent job. You know, we used some parts from EJ Classics, and we used some parts from IH Parts America and some stuff from Anything Scout. So we're kind of leveraging the entire, or a good chunk of the aftermarket that's available for these trucks. And we've got a lot. So, you know, some of this we got video of, some of it we got pictures of. We just recently pulled this thing out of the body shop. The color is probably gonna change. And we got a little bit of cleanup and more filling to do on the firewall. And we're gonna be doing a lot. We've got a frame that came out of this that we cleaned up, we laser cleaned. We got some video of that for you. We got that powder coated. We haven't even unwrapped it yet. Like it's been sitting here like 2 weeks. I don't even want to touch this thing until we're ready to get this sucker moving again. And all the body parts for this have been transported over to another body shop that is gonna start at least working those panels, so that by the time we get this rolling, it goes back over, it goes on a rotisserie, we bring the frame back, we finish getting the engine done, get that frame rolling, ready to go, take it back up, drop it down. Man, it sounds like we got a crap ton of work ahead of us.
We do. But speaking of engine, so we have an aluminum 6.2 out of like a 2013 Suburban with the 6L80 going behind that. We're gonna use a 241 transfer case that gives us the proper drop for the drive shaft on the passenger side. We've got Dana 44s front and rear with 354 gears. We've got a 2-inch lift from Alcan Spring. We're gonna do an all-spring lift. We have the red head steering box, all new steering components, all new springs. Those have been Cerakoted. It's really gonna be interesting to see this come together. It's really gonna turn out well, I think.
Springs have been Cerakoted. Brand new brake lines have been Cerakoted. All the hardware has been Cerakoted. Like, while these things are known for rusting, this one's not gonna have a lick of rust anywhere on it. The engine's getting done, the transmission's getting done. It might be the cleanest, most well-sorted Scout on the planet by the time we're done with it. So stay tuned. Give us a like, share, follow, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Don't lose track. We do a lot of cool shit here over at Etchus. Rebuilding the Scout is just one of the many things. Cerakote's a big piece of it. We do engraving. We just make cool stuff. We create, that's cool, where'd you get that? And that's kind of what makes it fun and what makes coming to work every day kind of exciting.
Absolutely.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.